Which one of these is a solid line? Solid line.
One.
First one. Which one? A dotted line. Second one's crazy. All right, must be something. What do I know about the first line?
-3. Y-intercept slope.
Good. Y-intercept is -3.
Up 4 over 1. Go up 4. Run 1.
I like it. And it's going to be solid, like you said. Is that a question or a... And then which way am I going to shade? Well, if I plug in 0, 0, it's right here, right? 0, 0?
Yes.
So if I plug 0, 0 in, is this true? Is 0 bigger than -3?
Yes.
0 is bigger than -3. True. So I shade
This one.
in the direction of that. And so what normally I tell people to do when you get multiple of these, just draw a couple of arrows just so it doesn't get all ugly looking. Get all shading and shading and shading. It's like, holy shit. Some of you guys might get what I'm about to say. I don't use a test point. It says greater than, so I'm going to shade up. If it says less than, I'm going to shade down. Just down and up get really weird when you get a steeper and steeper line. Then it looks more like left and right. But there's always an up and a down. What about this guy? What do I know about him? Slope is -3 and the y-intercept is 1. Go down 3. Good. 1, 2, 3. Over 1. And it's going to be dashed or dotted, however you want to say it. And 0, 0 is here, right? So when I plug 0, is 0 less than 0 plus 1? Is 0 less than 1? Yes. 0 is less than 1. I love it how we suddenly can't figure that out. So then I'm going to shade in the direction of that. So I'm going to put my arrows there. Where do you think the answer is? The area that's the answer. It's where the two shadings overlap. All of these work in the blue. All of these work in the black. So all of these work in both. So shade, just really make it clear to me what area is your answer.
That's it. We don't have to like write it.
That's it. Yeah, you can't write anything because how many answers are there? An infinite amount. Not even just an infinite amount. Infinite amount. Shit. So what's true about that point?
It doesn't work.
Doesn't work in either one. What's true about that point? Works in both. I like it. And of course, these little tiny pizza slices here works in one or the other. That's why you shade harder on the one where they both work, because that's the answer to the system. I want to say where are all the points that work in both of these at once.
Oh, that's
All right, that's plenty for today, I believe. So tomorrow we'll have the quiz first thing, and then we'll do some whatever word problems you come with. Anthony, are you out there? Annalise? Annalise? Jacob? Julian? I should miss you. Oh, hey.
What?